Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. So this is part 3, the finale of AI feature that PowerDirector 365 has either added or improved in 2025. If you haven't seen part 1 or 2, be sure to check them out up here or in the link below. Basically what I'm doing is showing AI features that have been listed on PowerDirector's What's New page this year. In previous videos I covered these features, and today I'm covering these features. The last part is more about special features with video effects, voice features, and masking, so let's get right into it. So here we are in PowerDirector 365. So the first feature I want to talk about is enhanced auto editing. It's a really cool one to use when you just want PowerDirector to do the video editing for you. So it's really cool when you have like a highlight reel or something. This is a really good one to use. So how you're going to do it is just really go up to here and the Gen AI tool, go auto edit here. And so what you're going to do from here once this box pops up is actually just pick your clips that you want to have edited. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to drag and drop it right up into here. This is from a vacation that I took last year and I just wanted it chopped up or edited automatically. So that's what I have here, just really quick clips. So you see anything, nothing's here is over 30 seconds long. So once I have the clips I selected, hit next. It's going to do its thing real quick to analyze all the videos here. So once it's done here, you can make all these selections here. I'm going to keep it at 16:9 aspect ratio. That's just kind of the horizontal orientation I want. You can see which video length here. I'm just going to keep it on auto. And there's this general here. So because this is a travel video, I'm going to select this theme here called travel. There's all these other ones here. You can actually do multi-select, which is really cool, but I'm just going to keep it in one. But actually, let's do daily life and travel all in one. And then I'm just going to hit create. As it goes through here, one of the nice things about this is it does not require any credits here. It just automatically edits for you. So let it do its thing, and then let's see what this video looks like right now. Yeah, it's a short little video. I remember that I put it on auto length and it's about 12 seconds worth of features here. So I have 4 different clips. I think it was about like maybe a minute or 2 of total clip time, and they brought it down to 12 seconds there. So it kind of gives you an idea of what you can do here. If you do want to change around like the theme, you could also do that here. So I clicked on this one here and it gave me another type of theme or template here. Gives you that idea. And let's check on this one right here. This is the Coliseum one. So yeah, you get the idea of what it's able to do. Really quick editing, automated AI for you. So it's a really cool one. And if you do want to export it, just hit this export button and it'll automatically download the file for you. So the next feature I want to talk about is the video effects here. There's a couple of them I want to talk about. One is the anime feature here. So I have this real clip here of one of my vacation. It's kind of a time-lapse one. You can see how quick it is, very fast motion. And so what I'm going to do here, instead of like clicking on to the Gen AI tab here, where there is no option for the anime, what I'm actually going to do is go over to edit. And over in edit here, there's this AI anime video effect. Click on that guy. And you see all these different types of animes that you can choose from. They actually kind of look very similar to each other, but there's just these small little differences here. So you click on any one that like you really like here, and like what you see here is like this real image here and then the anime. So you click on it, hit start now. And then it does take credits here. So it gives you an idea of like how many credits. So 30 credits, 60 credits for a 20 second here. So I have enough credits here. However, I'll show you one of my past animes that I did. Really cool one here. Pretty much this is how you do the anime video effect right now, and I'll show you what the last outcome is. So the next video effect I want to cover is about body effects. It's a really cool way to like show electricity or some kind of special effect from a moving body part here. So what I mean by that is I'll use the same video clip right here. I'm going to go over to effects and then over here to body effects. And you can see all these different little body effects you choose from. Then this is the electricity I'm talking about. You can kind of see as I hover over each one what it does here. But I'm going to use a really kind of like a basic one, maybe like this cosmic one here. Can you see what it looks like when I apply it there? How you use it, drag it down right onto the video there, and you get this cool little effect right here. So for the next feature here, this is the AI talking avatar here. How you're gonna get to it is go to Gen AI, and pretty much what it is that you take an image file and then it's gonna start moving based on the text that you want it to. So this is the box that pops up right here. These are all the samples down here that you could choose from. As you can see, this is actually me right here. That's my face. But if you wanted to use a different one or your own, headshot, all you have to do is to kind of click on this area right here. It's going to give you the tips for like what to do for the best headshot, and then choose your file. I'm going to keep this one right here as is. You can either import audio. I do have 11 Labs IO, but I'm not going to be using that for that the voice audio. I'm just going to do a text right here and do a really simple one. So I have this text right here. You could also select the voice as well. A lot of different voices to choose from right here. Oop.
Let's hit the bar after work today.
So a lot of different voices right here. All you have to do is kind of hover over one. You kind of see what the sound's like. So I'll do it right now.
I'm heading to the supermarket to get groceries later. Let me know if you need anything.
So I chose this Justin one. It's actually a little kid. I think it's gonna be funny if I use this as a talking avatar. So once I hit that or select Justin, I'm just gonna hit OK there. And then it does take credits here. So this is a short little blurb. 10 credits. I have that, so I'm just gonna hit generate right here. So it's gonna take a little bit of time to get that avatar going. When it does, it's gonna go up to that My Gen AI creation there, and let me see when it's done here. With the talking avatar, I'm gonna go up to My Gen AI creations right here, talking avatar, and kind of see I'm gonna hit view.
Hi, I'm Vince from Dad Gear Vibes. How's your day going? I hope you are learning a lot from these videos. Well, I will talk to you later.
So that's a really cool one. That's actually an image, but they made it move with the text or the voice there. So really cool one to have. And then if you want to download it, all you gotta do is hit download and go through the steps to download. So the next one I'm gonna talk about is the AI voice translator here with lip sync. It's a really cool one to have. But you kind of see what I did here is I took down this video track right here. I'll kind of show you the process in one of my other projects where I did use this one here. But this is the video track. You can hear a sample of it. Good morning. Found myself in this really... So you definitely tell that I'm talking English there. And how to use that voice translator or how to apply it. Click on the video link or the file link, hit edit. So it's going to open up in video here. Go over to audio and then go over to AI voice translator. And then it's going to pop up this screen here. There's auto detection. You can put English if you want or just do auto detection. That's how I leave it. And then there's all these different languages right here. And so what it does is like, this is an 8-second video here. It does take a good amount of credits, 30 seconds worth of, 30 credits here for this 8-second video here. I'm going to show you one of my other projects. So I'm not going to do this translation for this one, but let me show you one of the other project and how well it works. So I'm over here in My Gen AI creations. This is the one that I was talking about that I did in the past here. This takes from English to French here. It's a 17-second long video. I'm going to hit view.
Si vous êtes arrivé jusqu'ici, vous êtes à la toute fin de la vidéo. Merci beaucoup. Je vous en suis vraiment reconnaissant. Pour info.
So you definitely tell that it is French language here. It's a little bit fast. So what I did in the past when I did use this was I slowed down the video so you can be a little bit more understandable with the language and not as fast. But yeah, really cool tool to use. I'll kind of finish it up right here. Let you show a few more seconds of this video.
Seulement 5% des personnes qui regardent ma chaîne sont abonnées. Donc ce serait énorme si vous pouviez aimer, commenter ou vous abonner à ma chaîne. Ce serait...
And just FYI, I do not speak French, but it'd be really cool if I did. And the last one I'll be talking about today is AI object mask here. This is the motion tracking. So how you do this one here, I'm going to use this video still. And what I'm going to do is I usually go to overlays. In overlays, there's this cover up section here. There's all these different little overlays, things you could do, little animation that you use here. I use these cover ups here. And so the ones I like are down here, these like pet ones. I'll use this one Shiba Inu real quick. And I'll just kind of cut down this video real quick as well. Remove the end piece I don't want. Now what you do here is go to edit and then go to tracking. And so what you're gonna do is apply it to this face right here. Actually, it's gonna make it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna move this guy here, and I'm just gonna pinpoint it right to my nose, right there. And then once that yellow cross right there is on my nose, I'm gonna move this overlay here. I'm gonna make the overlay a little bit smaller, and then just again place it right onto the nose there. Once it's all set there, I'm gonna hit track. So now it is applied. I am going to hit play so you can see what it looks like.
Good morning. Found myself in this really cool park. A lot of people out 6 in the morning.
Yeah, so that's a really funny one to use. Motion tracking, that's AI enabled there. A really cool feature to use. So that's it for this video and the series. So be sure to subscribe for more video editing tips. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Be sure to check out my links at the end screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.